Marty McFarty, everybody. Check him out. Anyway, I want to show you this. I got this surprise gift in the mail from Super7. Now, I've worked with Super7 on Devo projects in the past couple years, and I was getting some Devo stuff from them recently that I was expecting, but I don't know what this is. It's big. It's big. It's a big surprise, too. I swear, a total random gift out of the blue from Super7. So let's check it out. You ready, Marty? Marty's ready. All right, let's dig it. All right, here we go. My cat, Meowser, has decided to investigate. Meowser, we're going to open this up. Come on. Yeah, this came completely unexpectedly. I've never seen a package this big from Super7. Whenever they send anything to me, it's just not this big. And it doesn't feel like it's like multiple boxes of stuff inside. It feels like it's one big thing. I don't know, man. Here we go. I think what I'm going to do is just cut the side. No, because no, let's do it like this. It's coming out of the top. All right. Here we go. Super7, what have you sent us? What have you sent us, Super7? No, Super7, what have you sent us? Ooh. Well, there's this. There's this. Now, what do you think's in here? I don't know. Uh-oh, more wrapping. I guess we just pull this out. Hold on. What the heck? Look at this. What in the heck? What is this guy? Mommy boy. Oh, hell yeah, mommy boy. More wrapping. This thing is coming out of here. Look at this. Is this really... Is this really a huge plastic mummy guy? Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Okay, ready? Look at this. That is a big plastic mummy guy. Look at this. He feels so cool. That is some real sturdy plastic. Wow. This is great, mummy boy. Information on the shoes. Or the, looks like little paws the way they wrapped it. Like mummy tape. I don't know what I'm talking about, but this is a big plastic mummy boy that I just got. Super7. I think this is the largest toy that I own. Certainly the largest plastic figure. I love how his arm is gone. I love that. This is my favorite thing. All right, this is going to make an appearance on my next live stream for sure. Super7, thanks a lot. May the rock and roll gods bless you as they've blessed me with a mummy boy. Take care.